Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sean Pourgol. I'm President of National Academy of Osteopathy, and today I wish to speak to you about why you should choose NAO for your osteopathic education. This is the second part of the series. I already recorded a video on what in my opinion was the number one reason students choose National Academy of Osteopathy, which is my 200 business lectures, and that's the reason we graduate successful manual osteopaths. NAO offers two osteopathy programs. One is the DOMP program, Diploma in Osteopathic Manual Practice, campus-based as well as online. Campus-based is in York University Heights location in Toronto, and online we teach worldwide. The second program is a fellowship program in chronic pain management. It's available only to our students. Now, the second reason why I believe NAO is so popular with those who wish to study osteopathy is because we are an applied practical college. A lot of other schools, they teach more theoretical, traditional, classical type of osteopathy and emphasis a lot on theory, while we are a practice-based school, mainly focusing on the practical aspect of osteopathy and how it can be used to help patients in real life with their problems. What we teach is can be used right away in practice by our students. That is one thing that I really wanted to implement in my school. When I studied embryology, histology, things that were not of use to clinical practice, and it's just while they are useful for those in the fields of like pathology who wish to work with a lot of tissues of the body, but really histology is not that much applicable. You can teach about the tissues in a really quick lectures to everybody. You don't need to spend a whole year studying histology in your program. So I cut all those theoretical things that or other courses that are not applied to the practice of manual osteopathy, and our school, I made it into applied practice-based school that you can use the techniques right away toward improving your clinic. The next reason number 3 that I want to speak to you about is a combination of different reasons. We have more professors than any other schools of osteopathy in Canada. Currently we have over 30 professors in different fields. Most of them are clinicians. They're manual osteopaths, chiropractors, physiotherapists, medical doctors, and so on. And because of this, we teach more techniques than any other schools of osteopathy. And we are the only school that teach manual mechanotherapy. The manual mechanotherapy is considered the lost techniques of osteopathy. It was popular over 100 years ago, but the osteopath who made the technique, they had problems with the others who owned the school, so his techniques did not become part of the standard curriculum of osteopathy schools at that time. He teaches more orthopedic style, more mechanical style of osteopathy, and that's why it didn't work well at that time. That they had more of a vitality kind of philosophy. There are two types of philosophy: mechanical and vitality based in the old schools of osteopathy, and mostly at that time were vitality based instead of mechanical, so it didn't match good. We brought these techniques back from extinction, and we are the only school that teach them. Also, we teach a lot of lectures on ethics and jurisprudence, because this is very important for us. We want our students have a strong foundation of ethics and jurisprudence and know about all the applicable laws of the land they practice on. And that is, I think, one reason in the past 10 years that we've been teaching osteopathy, we did not even have one case of malpractice cases against one of our alumni. As you know, most of the manual osteopaths in Canada and many other countries are our alumni, and yet we did not even have one case of malpractice against them. This is an indication of our students follow the ethics and jurisprudence courses we teach them. Number 4 reason I want to speak to you about is OCPCC, which stands for Osteopathic Chronic Pain Clinics of Canada. This is a clinic I founded in September 2017, and from one clinic in Toronto, now it has grown to 326 clinics in 30 countries. OCPCC is the largest provider of manual osteopathic care in Canada. It is the largest chronic pain clinic in the world. OCPCC only hires graduates of NAO and our 2 other schools in Madrid and Naples, Florida, and it pays for those who joins OCPCC to take the fellowship in chronic pain management program offered by NAO. So all the manual osteopaths working for OCPCC are chronic pain specialists. This is an opportunity that is only available to NAO graduates. So these are the reasons, number 2, 3, and 4, in my opinion, why students choose NAO for their osteopathic education, and why, if you're interested to study osteopathy, should consider NAO for your education. In other videos, I will go over more reasons, but I want to keep my videos short. I don't want to make it too detailed. So that's it for now. Have a nice day. Until next time, bye for now.